Welcome back. Before we start our deep dive into today's topic, please take a second to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a technical breakdown. It really helps the channel grow. Welcome to this tutorial on Apache Commons Math. This library is a powerful tool for mathematical computations in Java, offering functions for linear algebra, statistics, optimization, and more. Whether you're working on financial models, scientific simulations, or engineering projects, Apache Commons Math can simplify your workflow and improve performance. Apache Commons Math is divided into several key modules. The Math package provides fundamental mathematical functions, while linear algebra handles matrix and vector operations. Additionally, it offers optimization tools for finding minima or maxima of functions and specialized packages for geometry, transforms, and more. To begin using Apache Commons Math, you need to add it to your Java project. You can include it via Maven or download the JAR files. Once added, you'll have access to a wide range of mathematical functions that can be easily integrated into your applications. The architecture of Apache Commons Math is designed to be modular, allowing developers to use only the components they need. It employs interfaces and abstract classes to provide a flexible and scalable framework that can adapt to various mathematical requirements. Apache Commons Math is widely used in various real-world applications. In finance, it helps with portfolio optimization and risk analysis. Scientists use it for numerical simulations and data analysis, while engineers rely on it for solving complex computational problems. Apache Commons Math provides a suite of optimization algorithms, including least squares minimization and gradient-based methods. These tools are essential for tasks like curve fitting, parameter estimation, and solving complex optimization problems in fields such as machine learning. The statistical analysis tools in Apache Commons Math include a wide range of descriptive statistics, probability distributions, and hypothesis testing methods. These are crucial for analyzing data, making predictions, and drawing meaningful insights from datasets. Performance is a key consideration when using Apache Commons Math. The library implements algorithms efficiently, but developers should also be mindful of memory usage and algorithm selection to ensure optimal performance in their applications. When working with Apache Commons Math, it's important to be aware of potential pitfalls such as numerical inaccuracies and improper object initialization. Following best practices can help avoid these issues and ensure reliable results in your computations. Apache Commons Math benefits from an active developer community that contributes to its continuous improvement. Extensive documentation and resources are available, making it easier for developers to learn and utilize the library effectively. In this tutorial, we've covered the core aspects of Apache Commons Math, including its architecture, features, and real-world applications. We encourage you to explore the library further and apply it in your projects. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and leave a comment with your thoughts. And that wraps up our explanation. If you found this useful, please hit the like button and share it with a fellow developer. Don't forget to subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.